Okay guys, welcome back. I want to show you another alternative. We're going to use this board. Now the example that I showed you earlier, it does, because the nano doesn't have the ability to send the data out. So probably you have to get the reading, it doesn't make much use of it. So what I want to share with you is this board. We call it CU3 ESP32. It has built-in Wi-Fi inside. Then we can actually use Arduino to actually code it like what we did earlier, but it has a Wi-Fi module, which I think we are going to use this example to show with you how I can actually get the reading out through Wi-Fi. Yeah, so I think the first thing first, we will set up the just let me show you. Okay, the board, this is the board. Let me change my camera so that you have a better idea. Let me show you. Let me show you the board. Okay, change camera. Okay, so this is the guy. Okay, so this is the guy. Yep. It's wider, okay, compared to the board that we used just now, the earlier video. Yep. Okay, so this guy is just a nano. It doesn't have any communication. Okay, it cannot send thing out. But this guy, it has an ESP, it has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity as well. So what you do is the same thing. You get it connected with your cable. Alright, you get it connected with your cable. And then you see if the ports, appear or not. Okay, I'm going to do this. Just connect this guy. Yep. Check out the ports again. Yep. This time this guy is COM3, so I think I can just program it. Yeah, COM3. Yeah, it should work. But before that, I need to put in the temperature sensor. Where's my temperature sensor? Yep, it's right here. So we're going to connect it back as well. But again, remember to power it off. So at least I know my computer can talk to this guy. So let's check again. I know the purple is the power. So I'm going to give this guy a 3.3 voltage. 3.3, okay, will be the last pin. And then followed by the white would be the ground. Okay, my ground happened to be the second pin. Okay, and this guy happened to have pin 13 as well. 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, so okay, so that's how I got connected. So I'll just get this guy in. So I have the temperature, I have the board ready, COM3. I'm going to use my I'm going to use the Arduino that we created just now. I mean, not just now, like the earlier one. Let me open that up. I think we have this Arduino folder here. I think we can just run this guy. Alright, then you find that yeah, we need to have the library, otherwise it doesn't work. Yeah, we need to have the library. So this board doesn't work. You cannot compile the earlier code straight, because you need to, we are now COM3. Yeah, we need to have ESP32, and yeah, we don't have the library. Yeah, so we have to find the library. Let me go and find the library. ESP32 IDE. Yep, you can find somewhere here. There is a link for you. Yep, you need this one. Okay, you need this one to put it in. Okay, let me find here. Let me make it smaller so that's easy. Okay, you go to the board. No, it's not board. This guy is here. File, preferences, yeah, additional board manager. So paste this link here. Okay, and let it run. Then we can try to see if our board is available already. ESP32. Oh, that's ESP32, correct? Yeah, you can add more things at the back. Let me see. Yes. Yeah, let me reduce the screen a bit. Two ports. Let me install this, both of them. Okay. Let me install them, and yeah, we can try. I'm trying to put the same code inside to test if the sensor is working. Yeah, so I'm trying to do that. So just give this a moment, and once it's ready, then we can start using the code. Of course, there's no Wi-Fi anything coded here yet. Yeah, that's normal. We'll code the Wi-Fi library, everything inside later. Alright, I think the installation is completed. So let's try and see if I can compile my code. Let me make it larger. Probably you cannot see this. Yep. Okay, so let me see if I can compile it. Now once we compile the same code that we have done in the last video, I'm going to upload it. Let's hopefully everything is okay. Uploading. Now if the uploading is successful, that would be great. Oops. Let me see what is missing. The board. So the COM3, we haven't changed the board yet. Let's change the port. To board ESP Arduino ESP32. Yep. Oh, mine is dev kit. Let me see if this guy can upload or not. Let's try and see. Yeah, just now we forgot to change the board. So still the old one. Let's see if the new one, it should work. Yeah, it should work. Let me see what board we have. Oh no, this guy cannot. This one, let me see. Board manager. I want the expressive, correct? Let me see over here. Select other port. Port ESP32. Def. Okay. I want to use this guy. Okay. Yep. And compile. So it depends on what board that you buy. I think mine is this one. Yeah. Do it ESP32 Dev Kit V1. So it's important to know the board that you're using. So I'm compiling it now. There are just lots of variant. Different variant basically, yeah, they have different amount of memory, like the form factors and the pin layout. Yeah, but the logic, the operation is the same. Okay, now let me wait for this one. Okay, let me try upload. Waiting for it. bits to upload. Port 3. Port 3, correct. Let's see if I have to hold that like that. Let me smaller my screen. I'll see the status. Yep. Serial ESP. Alright, port. Okay, so let me try again. Now what I did was I just unplug and plug it again. So let me show it to you again. Compile it. Just compile it and then it should work. Basically I just reboot the board and wait for the installation. Yep, it's connecting. Yep, okay, you see something like that, that's good because it's loading in. Now once it's loaded already, then what you do is the same thing. You can turn on the serial monitor and then you can see, okay, I hope you can see. Let me enlarge the screen for you. Yes, so now this guy is working. Okay, I'm just trying to show you. So the cable is a bit sensitive, but once it's connected, right, it will be running. Okay, it will be running. Let me turn on this again. Port 3. Where's my port 3? You can look at device manager. Port 3. Let me check port 3. Let me plug it again. Okay, and you can see it should run again. Alright, so I think that's how to show you that yeah, the same code. I didn't do any changes to the code yet. So but now the ESP is running with the temperature sensor. Probably my cable is a bit loose, so it's keep on connected and disconnected, but that is fine. I've got what I wanted. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to modify the code so that yeah, it can connect to my Wi-Fi and transmit the data. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just let me get the thing stabilized. I'll leave it one side. Okay, you can always check at your device manager. Yeah, you can see the temperature. My temperature is running. You can see from the screen. Okay, so just make sure that the COM port is here. It's connected, then it's fine. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to let it run. I'm not going to do anything with this. Yep, it's right here. Let me close it. So now the next thing is, okay, we have got the ESP up and running. The next thing is to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, how do we connect to Wi-Fi? Okay, this is how the code looks like. So what you need to do is, now because we have the port ready, you can include Wi-Fi.html. Yep, the library is already ready for you. So once you do that, yes, I think over here I'll just type out, before I get the temperature, start the sensor. I mean, it's up to you. Okay, let's say get the sensors ready. We want to get connected to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi.begin. So begin, there are two things here. One is the SSID, another one is your password. So depending how you want to do it, some they don't type straight into it. Yeah, let me do this. I think there's one thing I can show to you is I think I can just share internet sharing. Where's my internet sharing? turn that. Sharing, okay, I'm going to turn on this. Now once you have this one, right, I'll just turn on, and then maybe I'll just give a username, password, turn it on. Yep, I think I'll edit the name, not to be too long, shorter with that. Right, perfect. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, my SSID name, I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to take my password, I'm going to paste it right here. Alright, perfect. Okay, now what I'm going to do is leave it here so it's running. I can see how many devices connected to me. Currently it's 0 out of 8, so it's nothing. Hotspot is turned on, so it's fine. Okay, so yeah, we just leave it here and continue to write our code. Now once you have that, alright, we begin, and then we want to check if it's connected. Yep, usually I'll just do this. We'll do a while check here. While Wi-Fi dot status not equals to WL connected. Okay, so this is when it's not connected, we just hold on a delay, and sometimes it takes some time, okay, for half a second, and then what we do is print. Now this is basically just a dot dot dot, so that we know that the device is trying to get connected. So once the device get connected, alright, then you can add another serial command here, print line Wi-Fi connected. Yeah, so that's how I'm going to do it. So once connected, which means I assume that this is ready and it is okay to go. Now of course you can always check your own local IP address, you know, you have a lot of things to do with that, but I don't think I want to do it. So what I do is I'm just going to try and see if I can connect to my own access point, which is through the laptop. Then I'm going to send this over to my laptop via the Wi-Fi. So let me see, is it compiling? Yep, it's compiling now. So let the compilation continue. Okay, the compilation is still going. We'll just wait for a while for it to complete. Alright, I think it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it, and we will wait. Alright, we'll wait for the uploading. Okay, it's uploading, starting, connecting. Okay, yay, so it's connected. Yeah, it's now it's uploading. So what we need to do is that we have to check on the serial, see if it's connected to my device or not. So should not be this one. Let me clear everything. This is serial monitor. I think I need to see if my Wi-Fi is connected after this. This 0i device here. Let's wait for the guy to start. Pin, okay. I'm waiting for it to start. Let me see if I can press the reboot button here. That's rather quiet. Let me unplug it and connect it again. Check our baud rate. It's the same. Yep. New line. Clear. See if my board is connected. I think my connection is a little bit sensitive for this device. Fail. Yeah, I can see that. Let me unplug it again. The guy says it's not recognizing. It's fine. I just unplug it. Plug it again until yeah, because this is working earlier. Okay, I just have to Okay, I just got it up and running again, you can see. But it's not connecting to my Wi-Fi. I'm checking why. Yep, let's check the begin, should be correct, and this is the password, should be correct. Now this is not connecting, so when it's not connecting you keep on having this issue. Let me turn this off, and let me turn this on again, and hopefully that the board can detect it and connect. No, it's not connecting, so let me unplug this guy, clear everybody, and connect again.